So we have a patient today with us who has come to us with two concerns majorly. So one is her scar revision, which is over here, and her hair line density improvement. So she has done hair transplantation 1 year ago. As you can see, it is visible over this particular region. Now we are going to improvise the density, which is the actual concern of the patient. So we are going to transplant some of the follicles from the donor and put it into the recipient area so that she'll get the full coverage. Along our goal here majorly is to have a natural look to the patient as she has expected. So basically, before starting with the procedure, we have done all the blood works for the patient and our photographs are taken, and we have collected the information as of how the patient wants the result, final output, and we'll be customizing it according to the patient's requirement. We are going with the marking as per the patient's requirement. So she wants a very natural look. So this is just the basic outline. So we'll be placing, so you'll get to know during the procedure. So first, this is the first step where we are doing the marking as per her requirement. So this is the area which we'll be focusing on. So now the follicles has been successfully extracted. We are going to start with the implantation process. In this, as you can see, the area, it has been already transplanted a year ago. So to match with the recent transplantation, we are going to cut down the existing hair strands and then place the new follicles according to the aligned marker which we have placed. So this is the process of implantation where the extracted follicles are transplanted in the recipient area. So this is the exact process of placing the follicle.
ठीक है, मैं बोलती हूँ उनको। हाँ